Speak less and you will see more. You must learn to tune yourself to the harmony of the universe. Make decisions for yourself and do not follow the opinions or actions of others. Education is the most powerful weapon you can use to change the world. The beautiful thing about learning is that no one can take it away from you. Destiny is not a matter of luck. It is a matter of choices. Overthinking will destroy your mood. Breathe and let go. If you truly believe in something, watch how it might become your reality and your life. Being lazy is disrespectful to those who believe in you. Be grateful for whatever you have. Difficulties strengthen the mind as labor does the body. Don't let temporary setbacks overshadow your long-term goals and aspirations. If my mind can conceive it and my heart can believe it, then I can achieve it. We can let circumstances rule us, or we can take charge and rule our life within. Every day there are 1440 minutes. That means we have 1440 daily opportunities to make a positive impact. Those who surrender freedom for security will not have, nor do they deserve either one. It is very simple that when you are enthusiastic about what? It is very simple that when you are enthusiastic about what you do, you feel this positive energy. You always get what you unconsciously believe and expect. The difference between the ordinary and the extraordinary is that little extra. There is only one way to avoid criticism. Be a zero. There is only one way to avoid criticism. Be a zero. Means do nothing. Virtually nothing is impossible in this world. If you just put your mind to it and maintain a positive attitude. Greatness begins beyond your comfort zone. Remember, the struggle or hardships you are in today is developing the strength you need tomorrow. A ship in harbor is safe, but that's not what ships are built for. Every day may not be good, but there is something good in every day. Even a non-working clock shows right time twice a day. Remember that money will always match your mindset. Remember that money will always match your mindset. Prayer is not asking, it is a longing of the soul. It is daily admission of one's weaknesses. It is better in a prayer to have a heart without words than words without heart. It is better in a prayer to have a heart without words than words without heart. Forgiveness is the attitude of the strong. Weak can never forgive. First they ignore you, then they laugh at you, then they fight you, then you win. An eye for eye only ends up making the whole world blind. Happiness is when what you think, what you say, and what you do are in harmony. You must not lose faith in humanity. Humanity is one ocean. If a few drops of ocean are dirty, the ocean doesn't become dirty. You must be the change you wish to see in the world. Live as if you were to die tomorrow. Learn as if you were to live forever. Before the throne of the Almighty, man will be judged not by his acts but by his intentions. For God alone reads our hearts. A man is but the product of his thoughts. What he thinks, he becomes. A man who was completely innocent offered himself as a sacrifice for the good of others, including his enemies, and became the ransom of the world. It was a perfect act. Good luck.